Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here, obviously, this morning to give the film rebate to Silver Nitrate Media Proprietary Limited for the production of the movie called Warning that was produced in Fiji or shot in Fiji. And as you know, under the rebate that's given, we give 47% of the production spent in Fiji. And the amount that is being awarded or given today is $976,147.37. As you know, that these rebates go through a very thorough scrutiny, in particular by FIRCA, that verifies all the accounts, looks at all the production spend, looks at the transactions that's carried out through the bank accounts in which the monies are held, and then certifies for the payment of these rebates. It is very critical that we once again highlight the fact that the reason why we give these rebates is to firstly understand that the production spend in Fiji, and of course many other countries, has a multiplier effect. So just because somebody spends $1 million, it does not mean that only $1 million is actually generated, but in fact it has a multiplier effect of about 2.8. 2.5, 2.8, 2.7, you can say, or 2.65 multiply effects. In other words, that money is multiplied 2.65 times. So which is good, of course, because it, on a number of fronts, it does create economic activity. It does create jobs. It also creates a certain level of expertise that did not exist in Fiji prior to that. But it also promotes Fiji because this is part of the marketing strategy. That by people seeing more movies being shot in Fiji or Fiji actually being highlighted, it leads to an interest in the country, and therefore it has an impact, a direct impact on the tourism numbers that come to Fiji. It also can promote Fiji as an investment destination. So this is why we're here today. So I now have the pleasure of giving this very large check to the representative of Silver Nitrate Media PBT Limited.
Silver Nitrate actually is very happy with the timely manner in which the rebate application was processed and paid out by government, by FIRCA and Film Fiji. The script actually was based in Fiji, and the creative team were able to find most of the locations they were looking for. We were also, with the support of Film Fiji, FNU and other institutions, were able to provide and identify the locals that they needed to engage in the production. More than 50 locals were engaged in the production. A whole lot of suppliers were also engaged to provide the needs for the production that was taking place. Overall, the producer, who you may know, is perhaps one of the biggest known names in India as the director of the film Ravan, Anubhav Sinha. Anubhav himself was in Fiji most of the time, and he was very happy with what he saw. And now with the payout of the rebate, he's more excited to come and do another or maybe more than one film next year. And he is looking at bringing a bigger team next year.